Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Step by Step. I am Ying. So today we'll learn how to perform calculations involving addition and subtraction of numbers in various bases, okay? So there are two methods for the addition of numbers in various bases, okay? So let's go through this example together. Then you guys will understand, okay? Example 10. Calculate each of the following: 110 base 2 plus 111 base 2, okay? So let's look at the vertical form first. 110 base 2 plus 111 base 2. So 0 plus 1 give us 1 here, okay? 1 plus 1 give us 2. So some of you guys may wonder why 1 plus 1 equals to 2, but here we write 0, okay? Because 2 in base 10 is equals to 10 base 2, okay? So that's why we write 0 here, then there's a 1 here, okay? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3. 3 in base 2 is actually 1 base 2, right? So that's why there's a 1 here, there's a 1 here, okay? So now, if you want to use the other method, okay, conversion of base. So we will first convert 110 base 2 to a number in base 10, okay? I hope you still remember how to do so. If you don't know how to do so, you can refer to my previous video, okay? Then 111 base 2, again we convert it into a number in base 10, and then we add up. So we get 13, okay? Now we convert 13 to a number in base 2 using the division of base value method, okay? Then all these are the remainders, and we read from bottom to top. So we get 1101 base 2, okay? So now let's go through B together. 673 base 8 plus 175 base 8, okay? So the vertical form method, we write down first, then now we add up. 3 plus 5 equals to 8, okay? So 8 in base 8 is actually equals to 10 base 8. So we put 0 here, so there's a 1 here, okay? 7 plus 7 plus 1 equals to 15, okay? So 15 in base 8 is equals to 17 base 8. So that's why we write 7 here, then there's a 1 here, okay? 6 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 8. So again, 8 in base 8 we write as 10 base 8. So that's why 1 here, 0 here, okay? So for me, right, I feel this vertical form method is less time consuming, okay, compared to this method, okay? So if you want to use this conversion of base method, so we'll convert 673 base 8 to a number in base 10 first. We also convert 175 base 8 to a number in base 10, then we add them up. Then we'll use the division of base value method, okay? So we get 1070 base 8, okay? Let's go through this C together, okay? 1837 base 9 plus 765 base 9. 7 plus 5 gives us 12, okay? 12, we know in base 9, right, we can write it as 13 base 9, okay? So that's why there's a 3 here, there's a 1 here. Then 6 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 10. So 10, we know in base 9 we can write it as 1 base 9, okay? So that's why there's a 1 here, there's a 1 here. 8 plus 7 plus 1 gives us 16. 16 in base 9 is 17 base 9, okay? So that's why 7 here, 1 here. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, okay? 2713 base 9. If you prefer this conversion of base method, you can do so, okay? So just now we have learned addition, now we'll learn subtraction, okay? So I'll straight go to the example and do the practical with you guys, okay? Because if I read this out, you guys may not understand also. In mathematics, right, the skill will belongs to you as long as you do more homework, do more practices, okay? Practice makes perfect. So calculate each of the following. A, 4005 base 6 minus 325 base 6. So 5 minus 5 gives us 0. Then here is 0, right? It's not enough to minus 2, so we'll borrow 1 from here. But here is 0 again, so we'll borrow 1 from here, okay? So 4 now, you can see that it becomes 3 now, okay? So borrow 1 here, give us 6 here. But 6 because we borrow 1 here, okay? So left with 5, then here we have 6, okay? So 6 minus 2 gives us 4, 5 minus 3 gives us 2, so 3 remain here, okay? So again, I more prefer this vertical form method because I feel it is less time consuming, okay? So if you prefer this conversion of base, you can do so. First, you will convert 4005 base 6 to a number in base 10, and also convert 325 base 6 to a number in base 10, then you minus, then you get this. But do not forget to convert it into a number in base 6, okay? So all these are the remainders, and we read from bottom to top, okay? So we get the same answer also. So now let's go through B together. 4261 base 7 minus 613 base 7, okay? 1 minus 3. 1 is not enough to minus 3, right? So we borrow 1 from here. Now 4 is left with 3. Then 10 base 7 is actually equals to 7, okay? Because 1 times 7 power 1 plus 0 times 7 power 0. That gives us 7, okay? So now I've explained why here is a 7, okay? So 7 plus 1 minus 3 gives us 5. Then 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Then 2, 1 to minus 6 is not enough, right? So we borrow 1 from here. Now 6 becomes 5. So now there's a 7 here. So 7 plus 2 minus 6 gives us 3. Then 5 here, okay? So we have reached the answer. If you prefer this method, you can do so, okay? Now let's go to C. 372 base 8 minus 77 base 8. 2 is not enough to minus 7, so we have to borrow 1 from here, okay? So 7 becomes 6, then we have 8 here. Why is it 8? Because 10 base 8 is actually equals to 8. Okay, 8 plus 2 minus 7 gives us 3. Then 6, 1 to minus 7, again not enough, so we borrow 1 from here, 3 left with 2, okay? So we get 8 plus 6 minus 7 equals to 7, okay? Then 2 here, so we have reached the answer. So now let's go to D. 1827 base 9 minus 65 base 9. 7 minus 5 gives us 2. 2, 1 to minus 6 is not enough, so we borrow 1 from here. Now 8 becomes 7. Then we have 9 here. So why is 9? Because 10 base 9 is equals to 9. Okay, so 9 plus 2 minus 6 gives us 5. Then 7 here, 1 here. Okay, so we have reached the answer. Wow, so today you guys will have a lot of homework. So at first you guys may feel a bit struggle when completing this self-practice, but after you master the skill, it is just kacang putih, okay? So please complete this self-practice 2.1c. If you are having a lot of difficulty in completing your homework, I have prepared an online course for you guys. It is a step-by-step guideline in helping you guys to complete these self-practices and comprehensive practice in this textbook, okay? So In the next video, we'll learn how to solve problems involving number bases, okay? So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss out any of my upcoming videos, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.